The new normal is here to stay. The importance of sanitizing will not diminish even after COVID fades away. Our manufacturing partner, Graco, has come out with a line of rugged sanitizing equipment that can quickly disinfect multiple surfaces. The Sanispray units can handle both small and large-scale requirements. Corded and cordless equipment options are available. Setup is easy. Just pour the solution into the container. The key to success is making sure all of the air gets vented out prior to use. These units offer great versatility for all kinds of applications, from industrial operations, entertainment venues, schools and universities, and all other commercial interior environments. ESCA is your one-stop shop for sales and service, plus we offer a low-cost, EPA-registered Quaternary ammonia-based sanitizer. Contact us now for more information or to place an order.